Welcome to Random Explorer.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is the fifth episode of the series, and we're gonna start our journey from Jawanang towards Sikoma towards Furuhudu, and then we're gonna end up at Kang. So the distance that we will cover today is around 243 kilometers, and it's approximately 3 hours travel time. You alright? Just stay with us. Let's go. Alright, we are crossing Sikoma. It's a very small place in the southern region of Botswana with a population of approximately 1200 people. It's a very little small highway town. So far, we have traveled 84 kilometers from Jawanang towards Sikoma, and now we're heading towards Furuhudu. Right now, we are on Highway A2, which is also called that what we say a Trans Kalahari Highway, and it's one of the longest highway, we can say that, in Botswana. And it starts from the Pioneer Gate border post, where we just enter from South Africa to Botswana on the east end, and it goes all the way towards the west end on the Namibia side, the Mamuno border post near Charles Hill. And the length of the highway is about 762 kilometers, and it's pretty good highway. Is it pure?
लड़ी है तुम्हें की
Alright guys, we are in Furuhudu. It's a small village right on highway A2, when we just stopped here for a break. Alright guys, we have reached Khang. It's another beautiful village on Highway A2 with population of around 8,000 people. I was reading about the town that it is one of the fastest growing village in that particular area. I would say that Trans-Kalahari Highway, and a great place for investment, which is good. Like that, government is encouraging people to come in the town and invest. So, which is really good for the locals, so they can have employment opportunities and good survival. When I was coming to the town, I have seen lots of developments, and looks like it has all of the amenities in the town. Good for life.
Okay, buddy.
Uma and
Hello.
hello. Where is the petrol pump? Puma. Yeah. Highway to Namibia.
Yeah, can I just use this one?
This one.
By this side, go back, turn off back.
Yeah.
Then you just switch straight.
Okay, time has come to end up the episode. I would say stay blessed wherever you are. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.